What is the best way to invest in real estate? Emily Holzman says, if you're considering investing in real estate, you have many options. Rental properties and fix and flip opportunities are a great way to get started. But if you don't have time to take on the day-to-day details of real estate, there are plenty of other ways to invest in the industry. You can purchase tax-deferred interest-bearing bonds and buy REITs. You can also use ETFs or P2P crowdfunding platforms to get started. One of the best ways to invest in real estate is to own a home. While this requires a substantial amount of work, you can also rent out your home or subdivide it and rezone it for another use. This means that you can react quickly to economic conditions. Of course, real estate is a huge and risky venture, and you can never be 100% sure that it will pay off in the long run. While purchasing a single-family Florida home can be a good way to get started in real estate, there are risks involved. If you're planning to rent out the home, you should leave some cash for repairs. And, of course, you should also have an exit strategy if something goes wrong. Real estate is risky business, but you can minimize these risks by taking the time to carefully consider your investment strategy. A third proven way to invest in real estate is to use seller financing. Seller financing involves a seller extending money to you. You'll pay a monthly or yearly premium to the property owner, which will eventually go towards the purchase price. Ultimately, you'll own investment real estate without making the initial purchase. This is an excellent option for those who don't have the capital to buy a property outright. Mez Group says, real estate can be a valuable investment. Rental properties can provide a high rate of return while also diversifying your portfolio and protecting you against downturns and other economic disasters. But how should you go about investing in property? Here are 5 of the top real estate investment options. 1. Invest in a rental property. 2. Take part in a real estate crowdfunding campaign. 3. An increase in long-term returns. 4. Rent out your entire home or a portion of it. 5. Renovate and resell a home. ORL says, investing in real estate is a lucrative investing option. Here's a list of the best ways to invest in real estate. 1. Buying rental properties and earning rental income. 2. Flipping houses. It means when you buy an undervalued property, fix it up and sell it. 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks like real estate investment trusts, REITs. 4. Real estate investment groups, REIGs, are the best option for people who want to invest in rental property without the problems of running it. Online real estate investing platform that connects real estate dealers to the project investors through equity or debt. Through this way, investors will receive monthly or quarterly payments in exchange for taking risk and paying fees on the platform. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best way to invest in real estate.